in the evening, where shadows play, strings hum below, the wind's ballet. Cedar whispers in the trees, a tune of longing, soft as a breeze. Wooden heartstrings carved and warm, echo the ache of love, love forlorn. Each note a crack, each note a scar, wooden heartstrings where memories are. Maple grooves where time has traced a silent hymn the past embraced. Knots and grains a life display, the rhythm of a heart that stayed. And if the timber breaks apart, will it still hold the song of heart? Wooden heartstrings carved and worn, echo the ache of love, love forlorn. Each note a crack, each note a scar, wooden heartstrings where memories are.